All right? You see, I just said all right, okay. All right. The word right, left, it's not that here. It's all right. What does it mean? Well, first of all right, did you notice? We can write it two ways. There's all right, con doble L, all, A-L-L, y right. Y tenemos también all right, una palabra, con una L. One or the other. You can use one or the other. It's the same thing. It's correct. What does it mean? It means it's acceptable. It's fine. It can also mean yes or okay. I personally use all right all the time, and I usually use it to mean okay. Yeah, okay. So the first sentence, the first example that we have is, she said that it would be all right to wait in Mr. Smith's office until he returned. So, en español sería algo como, ella dijo que sería ok o estaría ok de esperar en la oficina de Mr. Smith hasta que volvió. Algo así. So, she said that it would be okay. ¿Viste? Okay, all right. We could say, okay. She said that it would be okay to wait in Mr. Smith's office until he returned. All right? You see, I just said, all right, okay. So this is the first example that I have for all right. Now, the second example is, so this is how I use it all the time. So I ask my friend here, are you sure you don't want to go to the movies? And then the friend says, all right, let's go now. Like, okay, my friend agrees to go. So you see, you can say, all right, let's go. All right, let's do it. All right, let's, vamos, and then something. So try to remember this one. Very, very common. We use it all the time in the English language. Voy a dar un ejemplo de cómo se usa all right. Okay.
First thing tomorrow morning, all right? Bright and early. First thing tomorrow morning, all right? Bright and early.
I will put it again. He says, first thing tomorrow morning, all right? Bright and early.
First thing tomorrow morning, all right? Bright and early.
Last time.
First thing tomorrow morning, all right? Bright and early.
Okay, so this is just to show you that it is used all the time.